elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you thought having a small yard meant saying goodbye to your landscaping dreams, think again. Today we're diving into the world of small area landscaping, proving that even the coziest spaces can be transformed into breathtaking outdoor havens. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your balcony, patio, or tiny garden. Small area landscaping is the strategic and creative practice of designing, planning, and arranging plants, hardscaping, and decorative elements within limited outdoor spaces. It's not just about fitting things into a small area. It's about maximizing visual impact and functionality. This approach requires careful selection of compact plants, clever use of vertical space, and smart integration of hardscape features like pathways, patios, and retaining walls to make the space feel larger and more purposeful. It transforms what might feel like a neglected corner into an intentional, functional, and aesthetically pleasing extension of your home. The benefits of embracing small area landscaping are numerous, especially in urban settings or homes with limited outdoor space. Firstly, it offers a crucial extension of your living space, creating an outdoor room for relaxation, dining, or entertaining, thereby significantly increasing your home's usable footprint. Secondly, it is often more manageable and less costly to maintain compared to large properties. Less lawn to mow, fewer extensive garden beds to tend, and a simpler irrigation system. Furthermore, expertly designed small landscapes can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal and property value, thanks to their tidy, intentional, and high-impact design. Finally, it provides a crucial pocket of nature and tranquility, offering a serene escape from the indoors and contributing positively to your well-being. Decorating a small landscape to look good is all about creating an illusion of space and depth while maintaining a cohesive style. Begin by defining clear zones, a dining area, a seating nook, or a meditation spot, even if they are adjacent, using varying materials like paving stones and gravel. Embrace verticality by using trellises, wall planters, or tall, slender privacy screens to draw the eye upward, making the space feel taller. Choose a restricted color palette for both plants and hardscaping elements. Using too many colors can make the area look cluttered. Incorporate reflective surfaces such as mirrors on a fence or glazed pots to bounce light around. Finally, scale your furniture and decor appropriately. Opt for smaller, multifunctional pieces like benches with built-in storage or foldable bistro sets, ensuring they don't overwhelm the space. When selecting items for a small area, prioritize function, scale, and visual interest. Compact, multifunctional furniture is essential, such as narrow benches, small bistro sets, or stackable chairs that can be tucked away. For planting, choose vertical planters, hanging baskets, and tiered garden beds to maximize green space without consuming floor area. Good lighting is critical. Think warm, soft glow LED strip lighting tucked beneath seating or pathway lights that highlight features, making the area usable and beautiful at night. Incorporate a water feature or fountain, even a small tabletop one, as the sound of running water adds a huge sensory dimension that distracts from the size. Finally, decorative screens, arbors, or pergolas, even partial ones, offer a sense of enclosure and structure, creating a cozy and defined outdoor room. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best small area landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Grand entrance landscaping with natural stone accents. This front yard demonstrates how to create a highly structured and inviting entryway despite its compact size. The combination of lush, defined lawn areas, large natural boulders, and a custom flagstone path leading up the stairs provides strong visual anchors. The dark-colored mulch and low concrete edging create sharp, clean lines that emphasize the well-maintained quality of the landscape, instantly boosting the home's curb appeal. 2. High-contrast tropical curb appeal with red foliage. A vibrant example of using striking colors to command attention in a small area. The bright red cordyline plants are strategically placed against the neutral home color, creating an immediate focal point. The use of a thick layer of reddish-brown mulch provides a clean, weed-suppressing base that ties in with the paver walkway, resulting in a bold, tropical, and highly manicured look. 3. Lush, woodland-style shade garden. This idea is perfect for shaded or partially shaded areas, proving a small space can feel incredibly dense and private. The design relies on rich textures and varying shades of green from diverse, low-maintenance shade plants like hostas, ferns, and ground cover. The irregular, natural shape of the lawn area and the dark mulch border create a soft, organic feel, making the viewer feel immersed in a tranquil, woodsy retreat. 4. Vibrant flower bed and gravel border for driveway edge. This landscaping idea demonstrates how to make a functional area, like the side of a driveway, beautiful. A mass planting of bright pink and purple flowers creates an eye-catching, high-impact border. The wide strip of White River rock serves as a clean, low-maintenance divider between the asphalt and the garden bed, providing excellent drainage and a crisp, modern aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with the colorful blooms. 5. Stepping stone path in curved lawn with arbors. This small backyard utilizes gentle curves in the lawn and a path of square stepping stones to guide the viewer's eye through the space, making it feel longer than it is. The use of tall, dark metal arbors on the perimeter suggests height and a future climbing display. The terracotta pot and a patch of decorative gravel add textural contrast and act as a simple yet effective focal point in this cozy, walled garden. 6. Elegant brick paved patio with walled English garden feel. This design maximizes a narrow, enclosed space by using a cohesive brick herringbone patterned patio. The low retaining wall and tall lattice fence create a sense of privacy and enclosure, forming a true outdoor room. Deep, layered borders filled with flowering plants and neatly trimmed shrubs soften the hardscaping, providing a classic, elegant English courtyard aesthetic perfect for intimate gatherings. 7. Classic craftsman front yard with curved bluestone walkway. A classic approach to small front yards, this design uses a gracefully curved flagstone path to lead the eye toward the inviting porch. The generous, well-defined lawn is balanced by deep planting beds filled with low-maintenance, colorful shrubs and perennials. The combination of the flagstone, gravel, and large boulder provides texture, while the clear boundaries make the entire landscape look deliberate and welcoming. 8. Modern tropical garden with integrated night lighting. An exceptional example of modern small space design, this tropical garden achieves high impact through dramatic lighting. The clean lines of the white concrete retaining wall, which incorporates a sleek wooden bench, are beautifully contrasted by lush, diverse plantings. Strategic uplighting on the foliage and strip lighting under the bench turn this small area into a luxurious, illuminated retreat, perfect for evening use. 9. Multi-level deck and fire pit seating area. The ultimate small space outdoor living idea. This design employs a beautiful multi-level wooden deck to create separate functional zones, a dining area and a lounging area, in a contained space. The use of a curving wooden boardwalk leads through a contrasting crushed gravel/sand area featuring Adirondack chairs and a fire pit. The blend of decking, softscape grasses, and warm colors creates a modern resort-like feel. 10. Circular patio oasis with pergola and low-maintenance gravel border. This is a fantastic example of using geometry to define zones. A circular lawn is bordered by paving stones that lead to a raised wooden deck area, framed by a striking wooden pergola. The surrounding deep borders filled with mixed plantings and a horizontal slat fence enhance privacy. The use of large, simple wooden spheres as sculptural elements on the paving area provides modern artistry and visual interest. Small area landscaping is truly a game changer. It challenges us to be creative, intentional, and thoughtful about every square foot of our property. As you've seen in these 10 inspiring ideas, even the most compact space holds the potential for stunning design. Whether you prefer a lush jungle retreat, a formal courtyard, or a modern entertaining deck, don't view your small size as a limitation. but as an exciting opportunity to craft a perfectly curated, low-maintenance, and utterly charming outdoor sanctuary right outside your door. Now it's your turn. Which of these 10 small area landscaping ideas resonated most with you? Let us know in the comments below. Did you find the perfect inspiration for your own patio or front yard? If you loved this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the Homes Decor Designs channel for more inspiring decor and design tips, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next transformation.